In this video, I'm going to share some information about Royal Caribbean cabin categories and how well they will work with a scooter or wheelchair. Coming right up. This cabin is cabin 8335. It is a standard inside cabin. It's located on deck 8 aft of the aft elevator, and it's like the next cabin back. It is, as I mentioned, a standard inside cabin. It's not accessible, but it had plenty of space in the cabin for a wheelchair or a scooter. I don't know that you'd be comfortable with both in the cabin, but if you had one or the other, it had a lot of room. Now, it potentially could sleep 4 people. With 4 people in it, I don't think it would work as well with a scooter or a wheelchair in there, but for 2 people, it's fine. The only option that really makes it not an accessible cabin is the fact that the shower is a stand-up shower with no shower stool. Also, there is a small lip to get into the bathroom and a small lip to get into the shower. And your closets don't have the pull-down rods. But other than that, you're not really missing anything that would be in a standard inside accessible cabin. Both cabins only have 2 outlets, which means that for us, we carry an extension cord with multiple outlets so that we can charge all of the devices. Plus, I travel with a CPAP, so we need that. And the 2 outlets is pretty standard for most of the rooms. If you got value out of this video, do me 2 favors. Hit the subscribe button and the notify button. That'll let you know when I create my next video. And then hit the like button. That lets YouTube know the content was worthwhile. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.